Good evening, YouTube. Welcome to day 5 of the Scatterbrain Eclectic Linux Mint Challenge. I'm your host, Logical Focus, and let's get started. So today I started off with starting out my server, trying to get Deluge to work so that I could download additional Linux distributions for testing on alternate systems. Unfortunately, when I tried to click on the application or start a new terminal, it didn't work. I searched online and quickly found that apparently there is a fast resume file and a .state file, basically like quick configurations that, if corrupted, will prevent Deluge from running properly. So after a little bit of hunting around, I was unable to find it. I again am a Windows user, diehard Windows user, was unable to find it in your home directory because I'm used to just being able to go to your file system in your My Computer, drill down into the folders and find the appropriate item and delete it or edit it. Unfortunately, Linux is a little bit stricter on that, so it's a little bit more secure. You have to pretty much use command line for a lot of different removals of system files. And that can be a good thing to help secure your system. It can also be a more challenging thing for beginning users. There's only a couple commands you have to remember, so it's fairly easy once you start doing it. So let's open up this command prompt, make it a little bit bigger. Go to cd that, cd / is to change directory, and / is your root directory. So we're gonna have to go to cd tilde / dot config / deluge, enter. If you type in dir, just like Windows, it shows you a directory within that folder. And it could be a torrents folder, or for my case, it'll be a state folder. So if I go into cd state, it'll take me into that folder. Once there, I type in dir. And this, because it's a fresh install on my Linux Mint system, I only have the torrents.state. If you actually had torrent files started, you would also see the file name .torrent. You don't want to delete that. You want to delete your torrents.state and any file .fast resume according to the forum posts. So with that being said, let's go ahead and delete this torrents.state, pretending that this system wasn't starting. So we'll type in rm to remove, then the file name. And just like that, in a couple of commands, I deleted that file with pretty much no additional headaches. Go ahead and close out this. Another issue I had was with Windows, if you're on a home network, you can fairly easily browse your network folder and it'll take you to the appropriate system, and you can drill down to your folders and so on and so forth. I'm not used to the Linux setup, so when I went into my network and tried to go into the system itself, it doesn't give you the same credentials because you're not accessing it on the Windows file share side, i.e. the Samba server of your Linux network. I failed to see again, oh look, there's a big green folder that says Windows Network. You'll notice that it adds this command in front of it taking you to your Samba share, and there you can see your different work groups that are available. In my case, the work group would be called work group. From there, you're now on the Windows side of the network, and it allows a fairly easy access to your files. Thus here, where I've already downloaded these Linux distros via a torrenting program. In my case on the server, it was Deluge that I had problems starting up earlier. So I am learning stuff day by day, and the more I learn, it can, in my opinion, replace Windows for me on a basic user level. I'm saving quite a bit of money since I've yet to install Steam on this Linux system, so it's stopping my impulse purchasing issues. So with that being said, I should hopefully be able to focus a little bit more on my college coursework. That's it for today. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Anything you'd like to see, comment below and I'll try and accommodate you. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If not, go ahead and feel free to leave a thumbs down. I again am a Logical Focus. This has been Scatterbrain Eclectic's Day 5 report of the Linux Mint Challenge. Have a good evening. Goodbye.